One night, Nino the Hedgehog was walking through the forest. Suddenly he heard something strange. Ha ha ha, he froze. Was that a laugh? He had never heard anything like it before. He started to tiptoe, trying to get closer to the sound. He hid behind a mushroom and peeked around it. Ha ha, the laugh came again. Nino was so scared that he started to run. He ran as fast as he could, hiding behind bushes and trees. Finally, he saw who was making the noise. It was a squirrel. And when she saw Nino, she started to laugh even harder. Ha ha ha. You're such a funny little hedgehog, hopping around like that. And then something strange happened. Nino couldn't help but laugh along with her. He realized that she wasn't trying to scare him. She was just laughing at how funny he looked when he was trying to sneak up on her. If Nino's silly adventure made you laugh, tap like and subscribe so you don't miss his next one.